In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a gift card to PayPal. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process on the PayPal website on a web browser, as I'm doing here at www.paypal.com, or you can use the mobile app. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to add a gift card when you will to your wallet. If you are doing this on a web browser, click Wallet at the top of your screen, or if you are on your phone, tap the icon at the bottom right corner of the menu inside of the app. Before I teach you the process of actually adding the money from the gift card, I do want to make a disclaimer and say that not all gift cards can be added into PayPal. There are a lot of restrictions, and you will only be able to add some specific gift cards. To see if your gift card is eligible, all you have to do is click Link a Card, and in here, choose Debit, and include the number, the type, expiration date, and security code for the gift card that you own. Like I said, since only a very limited numbers of gift cards can be added over here, you might or might not be able to add it. All you have to do is try to add it through here by selecting a debit card and see if it works. If it does work, it will appear under your wallet and you will be able to use the money for whatever you want inside of PayPal. You can make payments, transfer, etc. However, like I said, if your card cannot be added through this menu, there is no workaround to this, and it will be impossible to add the money from the gift card into PayPal. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from a gift card to PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.